Imagine waking up to find that $2.9 trillion has disappeared from the global stock markets. Fears of an impending global recession have triggered a massive sell-off, affecting millions of investors worldwide. And to make matters worse, the cryptocurrency market is in turmoil following the hacking of WazirX, a major crypto exchange. Welcome back to Explorify, where we talk about histories, facts, and hidden mysteries of our world and its people. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind: the recent $2.9 trillion wipeout from the stock market and the hacking of WazirX. If you're invested in stocks or cryptocurrency, or simply curious about the financial world, this video is for you. Let's get started. To begin, let's understand how the stock market and the crypto market work. The stock market is where shares of publicly held companies are issued and traded, either through exchanges or over-the-counter markets. It's a key component of the free market economy, providing companies with access to capital in exchange for giving investors a slice of ownership. Similarly, the crypto market operates through digital exchanges where cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are bought and sold. Unlike traditional stock markets, crypto markets are decentralized and operate 24/7. But what causes these markets to fluctuate so dramatically? The stock market is driven by the economic performance of companies and countries, investor confidence, and various macroeconomic factors. The crypto market, while also influenced by sentiment, is significantly impacted by technological developments, regulatory news, and security issues. Recently, fears of a global recession triggered a massive sell-off in the stock market, wiping out an astonishing $2.9 trillion in value. A recession is a period of economic decline, typically identified by a fall in GDP, employment, and trade lasting for several months. When investors fear a recession, they often sell off stocks to avoid potential losses, leading to a market decline. So, how did $2.9 trillion get wiped out? This kind of decline usually happens due to a combination of factors like poor economic indicators, geopolitical tensions, rising interest rates, and negative investor sentiment. When these elements align, they create a perfect storm for a market downturn. In the crypto world, the situation has been equally tumultuous. Recently, WazirX, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, was hacked. Such incidents severely damage investor confidence in the security of digital assets, leading to a sell-off in the crypto market. With both stock and crypto markets in turmoil, what does the future hold? Should people invest or stay out of the market? Historically, markets have always bounced back after downturns, though the timing and speed of recovery can vary. It's essential to approach investing with a long-term perspective. Diversifying your portfolio and staying informed about market trends can help mitigate risks. While the current situation is undoubtedly challenging, remember that financial markets are cyclical and recovery is part of their nature. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to Explorify for more insightful videos. See you next time.